In this screencast, I will show you how to share your documents with other people in your group using Google Drive. Let's say that I've finished writing my first story for the newsletter and I need to share this with the other members of the group. First, make sure you've saved. I can't remember if I have saved this one, so I'll go Save As. And it's going right to my folder, but to review, if it doesn't go right to your folder, go to Desktop, click on your network folder name, choose My Documents, choose Keyboarding Assignments, and yep, I've already saved this, but I'll click Save just to make sure. Okay, now you're ready to share. So you want to open up an internet browser, log into Google Docs, Google Drive, and I've already logged into Google Drive. So the first thing I want to do is click the Upload button. Select Files. All right. And you have to find your network folder, My Documents, Keyboarding Assignments, and then select your story and choose Open. Now that'll upload. Should only take a few seconds, and it's complete. So I will X that. Now you'll notice it doesn't come to the top here for me. To make it appear, I'm going to choose on the left where it says Activity. That's one way to do this. And there it is. So that's my most recent activity that I uploaded that. I'm going to select or check the box next to the title of that document. And I could go directly here and share. But I want to show you the More button, because you can use that as well. And in the More button, you can manage some of your files with different functions here. I want to point out the download, because you'll want to download later when another member of your group uploads their document and shares their document with you. You want to download it. But for now, I'm going to click Share here, and right there. Okay. Down here at the bottom, then you'll type the full name of the people in your group. So for instance, if somebody is known as Andy or Drew, but their full name is Andrew, make sure you use their full name. I'm going to use a teacher name because I share a lot of documents with Mrs. Anderson, and her name pops up. And then don't check Notify People via email. That's not activated for you, I believe. And then click Share and Save. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to share this document with Mrs. Anderson, but when you've got your people in the box here, then click Share and Save. And done. And then when they open up their Google Docs, the document that you shared should appear at the top. Okay, now let's say this document at the top was a document that was shared to you. Then you would go to the More button as one way to do this, and then click on Download. And then at the bottom here, you'll choose Save As. And then let's say somebody else shared this with me, so I'll put Christy's name, Christy's story, and I'll put that in my network folder, My Documents, Keyboarding Assignments, and I'll go Save. All right, I'm going to minimize that for now, and I'm going to open up my newsletter. And there's lots of ways you could get that document into your newsletter that was written by somebody else. You could do copy paste, which wouldn't be too bad. I'm going to show you a different way that might save you some time. I went to the Insert tab, and I'm going to go to the far right in the text group where it says Object. And I'm going to click on the triangle and choose Text from File. Now it opens up my folder, but if it doesn't, you know how to get to your network folder. And here's where it says Christy's story that I saved, or excuse me, downloaded from Google Drive and then saved into my network folder. So I'll click that and choose Insert, and there you have it. It inserts the story for you. I'll have to do some formatting to make it look better, but I would recommend using the Insert tab, Insert Object, Text File.